Okay, I've just received delivery of my Brew 50-liter bundle, and I thought I would show you how it's been delivered and show you what's in the box. So I haven't opened this yet, so we're going to have a look. It's been pre-opened, obviously, by Angel Homebrew, so that they can put the bundle parts inside the box, because I believe it just comes with a brewing system. Now these are probably the same as you've seen 100 times. So we have, looks like the top and bottom screens for the malt pipe. They feel quite sturdy. I expected them to be a little bit flimsier than that through watching the videos, but they're actually fairly thick and sturdy, so that's good. And we've got a filter, and through watching videos I know that's a spare part for the pump. We've got another smaller filter and some other bits and pieces I'll have to figure out later. They're the handles for the top screen. Packaging is good. Let's see what we've got in here. A bag of goodies of some sort. I'll open them up and see what's in there. Okay, and these are the bits and pieces for the chiller, to connect it to hoses and that sort of thing. And a length of silicone hose. We've got the hot spider, nice big one. And we have the chiller. It looks pretty big. And the malt pipe. And that's really nice. I mean, some of the videos I've seen before have said that they felt these things felt a little bit flimsy, but I can't imagine it needing to be any stronger than this. It feels really solid. I've got no complaints about that. Now I like that it looks like this is updated, because previous ones I've seen didn't have both middle and bottom hooks for when you pull it out. But it's very shiny. Some of them seem to be a brushed metal. This is a very shiny, smooth metal, so I think that's probably better for cleaning. Finally, we'll pull out the real deal. This is what it's all about. I mean, that really feels like a quality piece of equipment. I don't know, I mean, I guess I've got nothing to compare it to, but it feels quite good, so not complaining at all. It seems like a really nice system. The seams seem really nice and clean. A couple more pieces in here. We've got the insulation jacket or blanket or whatever you want to call it. Whirlpool arm, we all know what they look like. And the sight glass, which I don't think I'm going to fit, because I see that they cause a few problems. You know, the water can come out of the top of them. I'm not sure what's in there, so we're going to open that up to see. Wonder if anybody ever gets a Brew Devil when they order a Klarstein. I wonder if there's ever anything, you know, they ever get mixed up in the box. If they're made in the same factory, you know, I've seen Waitrose had some sort of food in a particular type of packaging, and on the back of it said Aldi. So obviously Waitrose and Aldi are the same, so why couldn't these get it wrong? So that's the handle, which I thought it had a center bit on these now. I was hoping that it had, so that it would be easy to set a pulley on it. So I'm not sure I'm going to take care of that. I'll come up with something, but I'd rather that it could center and hang so I could put it on a pulley. Maybe I can buy it aftermarket, I don't know. And that's one more thing. What the heck? I wish they'd put labels on this, then I wouldn't have to open them. I'm not going to be able to brew with this for a while because I still have to get the rest of my equipment. I've not got a fermenter or bottles or anything like that. The famous telescopic tube. Looks like it's nice and short, so you could do quite small brews if you wanted to. So, yeah, that appears to be everything. So far I'm very happy with it. I will try a test run with some water in it at some point. I might video that and show it to you. But I'm quite happy with that and hope you enjoyed it.